Usambut menterang ba jong kajala ba persatuan tensong mentakas ngi habakran sekilap kubor hadin balawai kejinyalang jong kan hun menteri ulah pentem bahkan hun menteri mentakas ngi kalah pedang ya kajing terba ban Pynjlan ya samai terekam jong kajing norbat hawan jong kasil autonomous district council bat kumju jong kajan cahil autonomous district council ba persatuan ulaong dai namar baki artli ki executive committee jong kina ki district council kilathung ya ki delimitation committee nama taban pihak thamai ya ki constituency jo MDC nrai namar ba kenai ke jing pihak ka khambam por na kata kadau katana DCA kal terwa si Sorkar ban Pynjlan ya ka election MDC ulang bana kalyang kenhu menteri kalah pedang ya kene bat nusapha ya ke jing terwa syaulat ke jela ban yo ya ke jing menjur haga jing sya wa postun leitu wa samai terkam jong kene ki artli king norbar jo council kidai ban kod kesan terik jong uluber menta usnan uang namar ba Sorkar klub Pynjlan dan Bnai kabamut ke election kan longpat lakumno hai Bnai ubapra.
The agenda number 2 came in from the Department of DCA, District Council Affairs Department, where the proposal was for the extension of the terms of both Khadc and Jhadc Hills District Council. So I wanted to explain here. I think if you could recollect, last year, towards the end of 2023, the Honorable Governor has granted both the District Council for constitution of the Delimitation Committee, and this Delimitation Committee is on the job as per the prescribed guidelines done. And recently, both the District Council, again, they have sent the proposal to the state government for extension of Delimitation Committee, and that extension was also sought by both the Delimitation Committee through the Executive Committee of both Khadc and Jhadc District Council, and ultimately the government and the Department of District Council Affairs has examined all these details, and ultimately the Cabinet this evening has approved the proposal for extension of the present terms of both Khadc and Jhadc District Council for another 6 months. And this term for another 6 months, meaning because the term of both these two district councils will be expired in the month of March, 5th March 2024. From that date itself, 6 months is approved for extension, and now the state government will send this recommendation to the Honorable Governor for approval and for according the necessary order on this. So this is the agenda number 2.